Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable trusted documents in Word, Excel or PowerPoint, then please watch this video. The procedure is same for all these three applications. So I will show it on Microsoft Word, and you need to understand that trusted documents is enabled by default. So click on File, select Options, go to Trust Center, select Trust Center Settings, go to Trusted Documents, and then there is an option to disable trusted documents. If you disable it, it will be disabled. If you enable it, it will be enabled for documents on the network as well as local ones. So if you wish to disable it for a network ones, you can simply uncheck this option, but honestly that's not needed. Actually, these days all of these documents that you create are automatically saved. If you select this auto save, are automatically saved on OneDrive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.